This is my entertainment, a dog and a hamper.
Come on, dog.
Put him out in the middle of the floor. He's running into stuff.
Oh my God.
You gotta slide him. There we go. No, don't tip it over. All right. Woo! Malachi! Hi, puppy. Hi, Malachi. Hi, boy. Here, what's the matter? You're stuck in the laundry hamper again. Hi, Malachi. It's like bumper hamper. Yeah.